Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Irate protesters gathered on the road at Kolva Circle, outside Deputy Collector's office and at Ravindra Bhavan Margaon on Saturday morning. They are demanding the arrest of former RSS chief Subhash Velinkar over his remarks made against St. Francis Xavier, which have hurt their religious sentiments. Watch.
And that time also people had complained, but no FIR also was registered that time. And that is the reason he had the courage to again rake up this same stupid comment that he has made. Now we had complaint, yesterday's complaint, where more than 800, 900 people signed and had given a complaint. 5 sections were pointed out to the police. It is not that they don't know which are the sections applicable, but in spite of that, we have provided 5 sections: 192, 196, 197, 298 and 299. So these sections were provided in the complaint. But what we notice in the FIR that is registered, that only 299 is applied on him. Why are the other sections not applied?
What is the details of 299?
Yes, I will read out all the sections basically. Section 192 of BNS penalizes those who maliciously and wantonly provoke others with the intent to incite riot. If rioting occurs, the penalty is up to 1 year. Now, who is responsible for all these people coming on the road? Who is responsible? Who has invoked those statements? He is responsible. This section is very much applicable to him. Section 196 of BNS aims to prevent and punish actions that promote enmity and hatred between different groups based on various grounds. Groups can be anything, including religion. By making those statements, he has first of all tried to create enmity, and that's the reason we have cited this section 196 of BNS that it should be applied to him. It seeks to maintain social harmony by penalizing such acts with imprisonment and fine. So isn't he not disturbing the social harmony that exists in Goa? So we demand that this 196 also should be applied. Then we have given 197. Under 197 of BNS aims to punish people who in the name of right to free speech and expression propagate religious hatred. He is talking about that it is his right to speak whatever he wants, but he is creating communal hatred here, religious hatred. So that is the reason we have demanded 197 also to be applied. Then comes 298. Section 298 of BNS. It seeks to ensure the sanctity of places of worship and sacred objects, imposing penalties for action intended to insult or disrespect the religious sentiments of any group. Now, when he says to the relics of St. Francis Xavier, they are modern, isn't this section applicable to him? 290, we have demanded 298, which is also not applied. They have applied only 299, that is deliberate and malicious act intended to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion and religious belief. This is the only section that has been applied. Apart from these 5 what we had given, there is even another section, section 302, which we had not missing, but police should have also understood that that could be applied. Section 302, it says it deals with the deliberate act of wounding someone's religious feelings. And the punishment for this offence is imprisonment up to 1 year, a fine or both. So even 302 was applicable to him. So where did the police department fall short of this knowledge that all these sections are applicable to him? Why have not all these sections been applied in the FIR? See, it is a general practice that the police implies many sections. Finally, it is the court who decides whether those sections are applicable or not during the confirmation of the charge sheet. Let the court decide whether these are applicable or not. We have read and shown that these sections should be included in the FIR that is lodged. And the very fact that all this action is delayed by the government, it is very, very clear that this is all the this thing happening under the advice of the ruling government, the BJP government, to create all this confusion and divert people's attention of all the distraction that is taking place all over Goa. Our focus, no doubt, is on this, but we will not let even the other issues that are plaguing Goa to be let loose. The government should very clearly understand, and we hold Chief Minister responsible for all this that is happening, because he is the one who is the Home Minister, and he somehow he is delaying taking action on this person who has done all these rubbish statements, who has made all these rubbish statements. We demand that he should be immediately arrested, and if the Home Minister cannot do this, bring him to book, then he should resign. That would be much better for Goa and Goa.
21 सालपासून इथं आम्ही काल रातपासून आम्ही मिडनाईट 3 वरांचे 4 वाजल्यापासून रावून आम्ही पोतून येयलाय. एक जस्ट बिकॉज आमकां अजून रजिस्टर फायल चालू ना केली ती एक सिंगल लाईन आम्ही एक उतर म्हणलो जाल्यार तुम आमकां कशें सोडटा आलोले. हो पयलो क्वेश्चन टू द पुलीस अँड दिस गव्हर्नमेंट. एक उतर म्हणलो तेन्ना असेंब्ली तुम्ही गाजवली आखी आमच्या नावांनी उलयला म्हूण जस्ट बरें उतर हिस्ट्रिकल उलयला त्या उतरा परमाण तुमगे आखी असेंब्ली गाजवली. इश्यूवर रेस केले आणि हेणे सगळे सोबे माजर व्हिडिओ व्हायरल केले आमच्या गोंयच्या साहेबाच्या वर साकवाडे इगोजीच्या वर फादर बोलणे पासून ताका सेक्शन लागना एफआयआर रजिस्टर जायना ताका अरेस्ट कोण नाही. केसो रुल्स आम फुटयताय इतले न्हू आनी लोक येतलो आनी आमी वचपा नाय. तिल ताका अरेस्ट केल बगर पासियास पिड्यार केले या सरकारान आणि या विंगडेकारान. शेम ऑन यू ऑल. अरेस्ट करपा जायना तुमकां इतले आसतना एविडन्स आसतना ऑन टॉप आम तुमकां सेक्शन को दिला लॉस तुमकां.
हे पळय सीएमान उलयलो ते असेंब्लीन हे सीएमान उलयलो ते असेंब्लीन ही उतरां हूंय हाय सीएमा गेली. सीएम तुका जायना जाल्यार तुगे कोदेल सोडपाची. हे पुणे गोंय साहेबाचे हॉलिडे खातलो म्हूण पारेकारा स्लीप केलोलो. पारेकारा लेजर पूण दाखयलोले आनी आनी एकलो ओल्ड गोवा बंगलो बांदून ती हॅपी ना आतां. तो जावन आसा पांडुरंग मडकयकार. वो आमगे घामांनी पिड्यार करपा येयला. आतां कित्याक तुका जस्टीस दिवपा जायना वचचें तें उलयलो तुगे उतरां असेंब्लींतली आतां रिसेंटली असेंब्लींतली. कित्याक जस्टीस दिना आमकां. कित्याक तुगे रगत म्हणू RSS म्हणू आनी आमी क्रिस्तांव जाल्यार तुका मोव मेळटाय. आम मोव मेळटाय तुमकां. आम क्रिस्तांव तुमी रोखडे अरेस्ट करताय. किसले प्रॉब्लेम हा जालो जाल्यार हे मनशाक कित्याक ना अरेस्ट कर. आमकां सगळ्यांक एक न्याय दी.
दोन तारखे कंप्लेन केलोले 2 तारखे कोलवा पुलिसीन 2 तारखे केलोले सेक्शन लाईन अजूनही तांकां कांय कोण
कॅनेडी अफॉन्सो ग्लोबल कम्युनिटी फोरम आयज ते एक दीस मायज जालो आमचो लोक बोवाळ मागता. खंय पावलो सीएम प्रमोद सावंत. जेन्ना आमचे बोलमॅक्सान कांयच वायट उलयनासतना ताणें ताका अरेस्ट केलो. आयज खंय आसा सीएम. खंय आसा ताची उतरां. अजून पासून हे रॅबिट सुणे वेलिंगर हाका अटॅक कित्याक अरेस्ट कित्याक करूंक ना. हे कितें दाखोवन दिता. कित्याक हे आमचो सरकार हो बीजेपीचो सरकार ही जी कम्युनिटी आहा मायनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी आहा ताचेर वयता थिंगा नाही वयता तांकां त्रास कांयच तांकां कितें करूंक दिना. आयज येदे व्हडलें आमचें एक्सपोजिशन साहेब 3 तारखेर ताचे पयलीं हेणें सुरवात केली. वो वेलिंगर इतलो रॅबिट आनी खूंय किट पिडूंक जाता ती पळयता. जेन्ना आमी ग्लोबल कम्युनिटी फोरमान रुमीचो इश्यू काडलो तेन्ना आमचे मदें फूट घालूंक करी पण आमी ताका बंद केलो. तेच्या फाटल्यान हो इश्यू तो ताणें साहेबाचो हे खरेंच एक सुणें हाचो पयलो DNA टेस्ट करा. हाका पयलो खूंय घाला त्या सुण्याचे आल्बेरीन घाला खूंय घाला हाका बिकॉज ही इज नॉट फिट फॉर द सिव्हिल वर्ल्ड. हाका घालूंक जाय. हाका मनशा मदें दवरूंक जायना. ताका तोडीपार करा. आमच्या गोंयचो सुसेग ताणें पिड्यार केला. गोंयची हार्मनी जी आमी सगळे हिंदू क्रिस्तांव एकवटांचेर रावतात ती हो पिड्यार करूंक पावता. हाका ताबडतोब बंद करचो. सीएम बाब हे तुका आमचो गोंयचो लोक उठला. यू बेटर रायज अप. तुका जायना जाल्यार आमचो गोंयचो साहेब करतलो. ताका पदवी आसा. तुजे लागीं व्हडलें कांय ना तें. आमची पदवी आसा गोंयच्या साहेबाक. एकूच मागणें पुरो. काबार. थँक्यू.
आयज आमची आतां ही तोंड जाल्या. आयज हिंगा रस्त्यार सगळे लोकांक उबे केस्टर इनकॉम्पिटंट प्रमोद सावंतान. तूं असेंब्लीक व्हडले उलयतालो तुका तपासतात ना. आणि भिवपाची गरज आता तुका आसा. तुवें गोंयचो विसव आसा तो भंग केला. गोंयची हार्मनी तुवें अटेम्प्ट केला पिसडून उडोवपाक. म्हणल्यार आमी ते दिवचे ना. हिंगा फक्त तू इनवॉल्ड आसा आणि तू कोणाक पळय पालव दिता ते लोक योग्य ना कचऱ्याच्या नीच ते लोक असतात. ते आमकां पडूंक ना. तुका जमता तुवें डिक्लेअर केल्ले people attempting to disrupt peace of Goa and harmony of our state are responsible. The CM is not acting and the Advocate General of Goa कितें करता? फक्त कोट्यांनी पैसे बिलां दिता. We are the taxpayers. You protect Goa, its peace and its harmony. That is the DNA of Goa. Everybody comes to stay in Goa. Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. सगळे गोंया कितें येता? Because we do not become petty-minded. We are educated. We are enlightened. We know what is good and bad. आणि हे बॅड राबिश आसा ते घेऊन प्रमोद सावंत बसला ताका प्रोटेक्ट करपाक. Only and solely responsible. Pramod Sawant, incompetent CM. Dev, Rajinama di. Or go home if you cannot run the affairs.
Go home, Pramod Sawant. Go
home. Yes,
Sawant.
Go home. Pramod Sawant. Go home. Pramod Sawant. Go home. Resign. You are incompetent. Incompetent CM. Resign forthwith.
आता मौसमी खान इज कम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम काणकोण. मौसमी खान भाई येयला आमकां पासत आमकां सपोर्ट करपाक. ती कितें उलोवंक.
My name is Mosmi Khan Pereira. I am from Muslim family, but I am married to a Christian. My saying is what, like, see, तुमका कोणाक right ना दुसऱ्या religion उलोवपाची, because India is a secular country. Everyone have a fundamental right. तुम्ही if you want to democrat, तुम समज कोणाक एक power करपाक जाय, you have to. There are fundamental rights for everyone. You should first have a common sense. तू शिकलो मनीस, तू अनपढ़ काय न्हू, तू समज इतल्या समज problem, you should go out of this country, because everyone who fought for this freedom, there were 60% more than Muslims were there, Christians were there, Hindus were there, so they everyone have equal rights. आता सम्राट भगत मुठा तो मुठाला त्या दिसांनी जुलूसा लागून ते काढले. जुलूसा लागून टॉपिक असता बसोवपाचे उलोवपाचे एक रीत असता. तू मुठा टोपी घालनाका, तू मुठा मुस्लिमान हिजाब घालनाका, तू मुठा कापू मुठा घांटी मुठा. यू गिव मी अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ कापू. आय वॉन्ट टू नो. आय एम अ मुस्लिम. You tell me what is the meaning of Kapka. तुझे पाय तक दिला नाउ Kap म्हणपाक. Who gave him right? Are you the CM? Are you the Prime Minister? Who the hell are you to force someone something? ते तुम देवा मानता देवा मानता. तुम केन्ना कितें इन्सल्ट केला तुमकां केन्ना म्हणला? You all having thousands of crores of goddess and goddesses. Did we have a question? Who is this God? What is the ancient history and all? You all follow. It is your religion, Baba. You respect core. But दूसऱ्या religion को respect core. No, we are following Christianity. I believe in Islam also. I believe in Christian also. मुझे दोन मुर्गी है. My children when they grow up, they'll believe in Christian and they'll believe in Christianity. My children are taking baptism and everything. And when they grow up, they'll follow Islam. They'll तू कितें problem मा सांग. मुगे भुरगीं हांवें पोसलें. हा लोकांक भुरगीं आसतलीं. Let their parents decide now what they want to follow. Good point. Now Saint Francis Xavier तुम टेंगे टॉपिक काढा. तुम कितें टॉपिक काढा सांगो. कित्याक क्रिस्तांव लोक उगरा जाताय. आमी एटलीस्ट मुस्लिम मातशें उलयता. क्रिस्तांव लोक थोडे मनीस. ताका तुम they are taking advantage of Christian people because they are very peaceful people. They don't like to fight. They don't like to argue. That's why you all are simply pinpointing for them. They provoke करपाक झोडी काडपाक. तुम तें सांग. That's nothing else. Now talking about Saint Francis Xavier. Do you know who is he? Do you know any history about him? He's a saint. Saved from all these things what is happening. Do you have any sense of this? Nothing. You're talking. You're just talking common nonsense. Yeah, nonsense.
Good point.
You're just hurting sentiments of people. तू कितना खबर है रे सेंट फ्रांसिस जेवियर का तू किती पण खबर है रे वो शिक रे बाबा रिलीजन आहे शिक भगवत गीता I read केला. I am reading Bible from the age of second standard. I am reading Bible. I have read Quran. I am telling you as a Muslim, Christian and Muslims are very similar, but we never do any partialities. Okay, for all religions are same. So I am telling you, if you want to talk a shit about any religion, first you go open the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita into Mahabharata and Ramayana. I read केला. I have Hindu friends. That is not what you follow. Okay, I have Hindu friends. I know what they follow. This is wrong what they're preaching. It is very wrong what they're preaching. There's nothing Hinduism. It is what speech is giving, and there's nothing in Bhagavad Gita. It is only the history of what had happened. Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, nothing is written that you have to hate some other religion or preach something. You're saying they are kape, they are ghanti. That is, tu kaun right deal re? Tu kaun re? Tu PM, CM, no. You talk sensible things, what matters. You open the Bible. I'm telling you, as a Christian and Muslim, you open the Bible, sit down, read about Christianity, read Quran, and then you talk bullshit.
Watch on Herald TV.